Hey, Tim Eagle here. Today I think I'm going to work on a project. Let me show you. Take a look. Yeah, so you never know when shit like this is going to happen on your motorhome or your rig. So I'm going to tackle this project and take you along and show you exactly how to fix it. It's a pretty simple fix from what I've seen, but that inlet is just for the sewer clean out, and it's not dirty water dripping out of there, so I'm not polluting or anything like that. So come along. It's 3 screws, hopefully pretty simple. I'll show you what I bought as a replacement on Amazon, and see, you could probably fix one yourself after you're done watching this video. I'm going to replace the white part with black since it's my clean out tank for the sewage. So that way I know it's labeled, but hey, I like the looks of this sleek glossy black. So let's get to work. First things first, got to unhook this hose, take those 3 screws out, and then back here pretty simple. There's the old one, and here's the new one. And just like that, it's ready to test. Let me go test this thing. Remember, before testing this, make sure your black tank is open so you don't flood the interior. And there you have it. No leaks. That's about as simple as I can make it. Make sure you do tighten that back nut up pretty well, and you shouldn't have any problems. Thanks for stopping by. Just check back with the channel whenever you can. Hit that alert button, subscribe below. I appreciate all of you. I'll see you soon.